What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Taz1221, and right now we're on our way to the park. I'm about to try to teach my little brothers how to wheelie the CRF 70. You know what I'm saying? Hey, around. Okay. Let me see. Okay. He's out. Okay. That's SOB Nana right there, man. Make sure y'all follow little bro on the gram. Okay. Give him some work. Okay. Yeah, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Okay. Seat work. Okay. Bag work. Okay. It's my guys right there. Yo, let's go in this way, y'all. We out here though. Hey, man. Let me get some action. Yeah, man, we're around. We just made it to the park. You know what I'm saying? SOB 20 right there. I'm about to teach these young boys how to wheelie. You know what I'm saying? Hey, they got me out here on the Fat Ripper. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Got SOB 20 on the 70 right now. I'm about to teach these guys how to wheelie. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what you got, boy. Let's go. Oh, he did a little meh. I can't even make it through the grass on this joint. Got big bro out here. Yeah, man. RP dot, y'all already know. Bike life not a crime. Y'all already know how we rocking. I think the pool closed today too. We should. All right, let's see if he get it, y'all. Just like that, boy. Come on, let's go. He had it. That was a nice wheelie. If he would have kept it up, you got, once you get up, you gotta keep giving it gas, bro. You gotta keep giving that joint gas. I'm about to teach Keith too on this little joint. He gonna fall, y'all. Stay tuned. Come on, boy. More gas. Give it more gas, bro. He's scared, y'all. What you think? You think you got it?
I don't know.
You think you got it?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, man.
Like that?
We out here, man.
Nah.
Try it with your feet down. Like, drag your feet.
If I do a crazy part, that video won't bike.
Now try to put your brake foot on. Like when you do that, try to put the brake foot on and keep the other foot down. So once he get the hang of that brake, it's over. He got it.
Oh yeah. Hello?
Yeah.
Yo, you
So I showed him some shit and wound up busting my ass. We're around though. Alright, try it.
Yeah, no.
Go ahead. No.
Is that you?
Yeah, tell I call it back. I just went down, yeah, man. I'm out here though. Trying to teach my guys how to throw that thing up. I got you. Here, hold the can. What she say don't hurt him? Girl, Bob. Is it on? I don't know if it's on. Got their mom on the phone talking about don't hurt my boys. I just went down, y'all. It's cool. You get back up and try it again, you know what I'm saying? Yo, you holding the shifter. Stop holding the shifter. Okay, there you go. Stop being scared. There you go. So saw that boy face. He said, oh, is this really happening? A little bit more gas. A little bit more gas. I'm just trying to let him get the hang of it. Yeah, man. No, that's you. You making it act goofy. Okay, a little bit more gas. Yo, if he stopped letting go to gas, he got it. But he not even doing it. He not switching it right. Tell him I'm trying to kill him. Throw it up like it's a pedal bike. Y'all jump right on them pedal bikes and get busy. Okay. Big bro turn. Come on, big bro. Oh man, he's going down, y'all. They got my helmet on and they not giving out sauce. Like, what's up with that? You put that helmet on, you gotta give out sauce. You know what I'm saying? Do that, yeah. I ain't trying to get y'all to fall. Y'all gotta work. Like, yeah, man, y'all gotta work. Uh-huh. Back brakes, they are though. I'll be airing that jump. I'll be scraping and all that. Stop it. Okay. Big bro out here working. Okay, let's go, boy. Give it more gas, give it more gas. He going down, y'all. Oh shit.
Yo, he going down.
He going down. Come on, bro. Let's go, boy. Okay. Let's go. Give it more gas. Okay. Okay. Yo, give it a little bit more gas. Give it a little bit more gas. Let's go, boy. I'm telling you, give it more gas. Give it more gas. Keith had a bike with a clutch on it. He had that shit. We out here though, man. RP Dot, man. Missing love my big bro, man. My man got hit by the cops. Doing something he love to do. Living that bike life. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here teaching my little brothers how to wheelie. I mean, they about that bike life too. They know how to ride clutch, all that. But I'm trying to teach them on the CRF 70 right now. But we're around, you know what I mean? Time for big bro, man. First. Huh? Neutral first.
You don't even got really
just start it off first. Then we're gonna try. Then you're gonna try to go in the gear. Neutral. You used to the handbrake. I get you a handbrake. What? You still ain't gonna get busy, boy. Yeah, man. He talking about I ain't used to the back brake being down there. On my way to get the quad. Down the steps. Okay. Okay. Let's go, Ted. Let's see what they do. Let's see if they work. It's easy work. Up the steps with it. Off the Wheelie. So who first? Who talking that talk? Who first?
She said first. She said, I ride regular. I ride regular.
No. All Wheelie action. It's like not good, ride regular. Told you they good with the clutch, you know what I'm saying? Trying to teach them how Wheelie on the 70, you know what I mean? We out here, man.
You're not gonna do no donuts.
What you say, go get the four-wheeler, you gonna do what?
No, I ain't saying
What you say, go get the four-wheeler, you gonna do what? He ain't doing shit, he pumping. He out. Oh, he was riding the dirt. I just cleaned my bike yesterday.
There's some donuts.
No, chill. I don't want my shit to be dirty, bro. The grass a little wet, so that joint don't want to come up. Pop the clutch. Let it all the way out when you pop it. Back tire's just spinning. There you go. When you do it, just keep giving it gas. When you get up, keep giving it gas. Keep giving it gas. Stop being scared. Keep your foot on that back brake. Turn around, turn around. You talking, when you get on that joint, you better do something. Yeah, boy. You're next, nigga. Yeah, try to use it with 2 or 1. Huh? Try to use it with 2 fingers or 1.
Let it go.
He's scared, yeah.
Huh?
Good.
Let it go?
Yeah.
You ain't down all the way out. You can do it halfway, it's gonna come up. Like that.
Yeah, good.
But you gotta get a gas though. And keep your foot on that back brake or you're gonna flip off.
Come on, bro. Stop laughing. Let's go. That is what you do. He's scared. Come here, bro.
You think that's first? Huh?
Yeah, that's first. Okay. He do this for a week straight, he gonna have that shit. Do it for a week straight.
It's better in here than out there.
Right into the gate. Boom! Oh shit. Oh, okay. Okay.
Let me see this before
You do that for a week straight, bro. You got it.
Do it in the grass or right here? I might can't Wheelie, but I can do this.
Look. They said they might can't Wheelie, but they can do that.
I said it when I was over there.
Yo, try to take it easy though, cause if it catching this grass.
Oh shit, you going? Over here.
let's see what they gonna do. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. 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 Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Okay. Okay. That's how it's done, boy. Okay. They out here. Okay, he working. He working. Okay. Okay. That's SOB Nana right there. Okay. Okay, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. RP that, man. You got little bros out here working. Uh-huh. Oh. Kid over. Tell him, talk to him. Yeah, me. Let's get it. We out here, man. Got my young boys out here working. Let's go, y'all. We out here. Go ahead, Keith. Let's see what Keith's gonna do. He gonna flip, y'all.
I got y'all flipping.
Hurry up before the cops come. We out. Get busy real quick for the law come. We've been at this park too long. Let's see what Big Bro gonna do. Okay. 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 I'm away with it. I'm away. Okay. 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 Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Drop the hand. Chasing the camera. Okay. Alright, we out. We out. We out here, man. You know what I'm saying? They said they might can't Wheelie, but they can do donuts. We out here.